Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished up a 2017 KTM 450SXF WP Linkage Shock. This shock was rebuilt and revalved to the JBI Suspension Motocross Spec. It was also upgraded with the JBI Suspension WP Bladder kit. A new spring will be fitted to the shock to match the rider's weight. This rider lives here in California, so this is specifically set up and tuned for the California tracks that we ride out here that are a lot, very hard pack and dry during the summer times, and during the winter they get a little more deep and moist. So we kind of have settings geared towards that specifically versus people that we help out in the Midwest and the East Coast that have much different terrain than we do out here. We have settings specific to that as well. Anyway, just wanted to show you guys what we're up to today, one of the things we got done. Thanks for watching.